We had a lovely company send us something for free. And by we, I mean me. And I'm going to open it on stream. Fightchix sent us some stuff. Fightchix. Been a fan of them for a long time. This isn't just for women. If you guys are looking for cool apparel, workout gear, they make some really cool combat shit though. Oh my God, they sent me like 4 things. Let's go. I know one of the things that they sent me, but they sent me... Okay, this is the good one. All right, first up. Is a cute Fightchix t-shirt, and it's super soft in medium. As you can see, it's the same logo that's gonna pop up here in just a second. It's like a nice jersey tee, and it's extremely soft. I love it. It's so soft. And on the back, Fightchix, hot pink. I love this. This is so cute. I love this. I am really, really, really into soft things. They got a great selection of stuff. And also, they have a lot of MMA people on their roster, which is really badass. Oh, we get another t-shirt, I think. I'm gonna see this. I wanna look at this. Ah, I'm so excited. We got another t-shirt. We got a medium fighter. I actually love that. The simplicity of that. Just fighter. That's really cool. I like the font. This one's definitely unisex. And again, extremely soft. I love this. These are like my fit, and it's kind of almost see-through, which I like. It's like a very, very thin material, very breathable. I love that. I'm gonna do all the shirts first. I'm excited to wear them on stream. New bra. They do have sports bras. I didn't ask for those. Maybe down the road, you know, we're forming like a little partnership. What's this? We got another t-shirt. Welcome to the hurt business. Fightchix. This one's a little bit thicker than the other two, but still adorable. I like this. This one's really cute. Simple, black, pink, white. What more could a girl ask for? I like this. Welcome to the hurt business. These are the 2 things I've been waiting for the most. I'm going to do these first, and then I'm saving the best for last, because this was the entire reason I got in touch with them. And I can't believe that. Okay, I think these. Great. Hey, they're Spats, which is basically leggings, but like really good leggings. These are really good leggings. Oh, the material's fantastic. It says Fightchix on the side, and you get the Fightchix symbol. I'll totally put it on, but they're basically Spats. So for like no-gi stuff, it's a really good material too. But I love these. These are amazing. It's very form-fitting because when you're rolling, you know, you need stuff that's not gonna come off easily. Thank you. I love these. I can't wait to try them on. They're in a medium. And this, guys, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the entire reason that they ended up sending me stuff, because I tagged them online when I saw this because I thought it was the coolest thing ever. I love Joe Rogan. I'm just going to say it. And you know what? It doesn't even have to be political. This is a Rashguard. Okay, here we go. You guys ready? I'm so excited. It's fucking Joe Rogan, Centaur with fucking ivermectin. And we got the coronavirus and everybody in their masks. It's so good. This was their special edition COVID one. And it says masks on the side. This is a really good rash guard. And then on the back, everyone's masked up. Let me zoom in a little bit. And you got Fauci in the middle. In the middle. And then you got the people on the back revolting, giving everybody the bird and shit. It's fucking brilliant. It's their special COVID edition rash guard. I can't get over this. I don't know if Joe Rogan actually is aware that this is a design, but it's amazing. How fucking cool is that? I cannot wait to train in that this week. I think it's absolutely fucking hilarious. Thank God comedy isn't dead. This is fucking brilliant. And I am going to wear all of this with so much pride. And I am honored to be included among some of the amazing fighters. You know, I am a content creator. I get it. I'm a streamer, but I love martial arts, and I'm a practitioner, enthusiast for a very long time now. I'm absolutely stoked to be included on this list, and that Fightchix sent me this. It's $60 on the Fightchix website. I think it's around $60, but it's good quality. It's really good quality. I'm excited to train this week. So thank you so much, Fightchix, for everything. I'll be posting more this week. Should I do a fashion show? Okay. All right, let me go change. I'm gonna put my first shirt on. All right, here's the cute shirt. I think it's adorable. It's great. It's great. I probably could have even gone with a small, but it's nice to have the extra room. And I can tie it too if I want. Sporty, feminine. You also tie it. I can do a little tie. Okay, that was the first one. You know what? I want to try on the Spats. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go try on the Spats. Oh, these fit great. These Spats fit so well. I just can't tell if you can see through them or not. I think you can. Doesn't matter. I'll just wear like whatever underwear through it, but. I just need my booty to pop more. Influencers in the wild. I just need to work on my butt. I need a bubble butt. I need to do more squats. So cute. These Spats are so comfortable. It's really hard to find leggings as a female and that you're not constantly pulling up. All right, should I put on the Rashguard? Let's put on the Joe Rogan Rashguard. Who's ready to grapple? Let's go. Who's ready to grapple? Come on. I actually probably gonna go on tighter. This is unisex, so I asked for a small, but it's good. It gives me room. How fucking cool is this? Let's grapple. Now I gotta go punch some shit. This is so great. I love it. Their fight gear is so cute, isn't it? Come on, let's go. Thank you, TTV. I will be letting them, I'll let them know. I'll be tagging them in everything.